Hi everyone, I'm Lip Yao and I'm a beginner in ukulele. I'm going to share my thoughts on how to learn how to play hymns on ukulele. And again, I think hymns are a wonderful genre of music for learning the ukulele for beginners because it has a very regular rhythm and sort of fairly simple musical structure. So today we're going to be learning how to play This Is My Father's World, and it's going to be the key of C. Again, just the standard four chords are needed. So C chord, F chord, G chord, and A minor. And I'm just going to show you quickly just how to press those chords. This is the C chord. This is the F chord. This is the G chord. And this is the A chord. Okay, so we're going to start, and I'll just sing along as well. Again, you can download and print out the song sheet with the chords in the link below. And I'm going to start off with just playing fairly slow, just one strum per chord every 2 beats. And I'll play the first line once as a intro. This is my Father's world, and to my listening ear, all nature sings and round me rings the music of the sphere. This is my Father's world. I rest me in the thought of rocks and trees, of skies and seas. His hand the wonders wrought. Okay, this time I'm going to play it with 2 strums for every chord, and I'm going to kind of use the fingernails of my index finger to strum rather than my thumb, so you get a slightly different sound. So here it goes. Play the first line once through. So that's that's strumming. Uh, this is my father's wall with the ukulele and singing along, and it wasn't perfect, but again, I'm not particularly musically inclined, so I think if I can learn this, you can learn this, and we'll just keep practicing together. So thank you for watching. See you next time.